Life is constant growth. My life isn't here because I went to one seminar one time and now my life is fit for life. I work out, I train my mind, I train my body, and it becomes a lifestyle.
Come at the door. See where I get over the door, yes, so. Hold it up to the ceiling. Take a shot now. Cheers. Cheers. Guys, welcome back to another vlog. What's up? What's good? Okay. Give myself a little bit more light. Yeah. So right now, my nails are looking a mess. Focus now. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so my nails are looking a mess, guys. Okay, so I said I was going to go to Island Grill and get like, I never really too want to go. Like, if you watch my previous vlog, you would have heard what I said that. But back in my mind, what I really wanted was a bad dog. So when I get the two of them on my one of them is Shammy's. So I got that. I also picked up my wedding invitation. Yeah, our invitation to go to somebody's wedding. I cannot wait. So yeah, that's what I just did. And then now I have packages to go and pick up. Also in this week's vlog, you guys will see. So okay, it's the beginning of a new carnival season. I'm happy for that. This one, right now, I'm gonna eat this, you know. Instead of the one with the twist, I might one. Yeah. So why them so stingy with them napkin? Oh, he gave me just 2 napkins. Why? Yeah, so I don't know. Okay, so I'm about to try out a new nail tech today. You guys saw her in a previous vlog. Remember when I went to the lunch with Heineken and you saw her name is Annabelle Glaze. She's the owner of Bella Boutique, right? So that's where I'm going to head after I pick up my packages. I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna try something new today. Like, okay, so it's not the first time I'm going to do this shape. I'm not even sure how to style it more, but yeah, I'm gonna try something new with her and stuff. But yeah, that's what we're going to say. We're gonna try something new, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, also yeah, I'm just kind of all over the place. Jeez, there's so much going on in my head, but it's the beginning of a new carnival season, and you know, band launch is this week, so I'm gonna walk. Shammy and I, we're going to walk again for the show and stuff. So you guys will be seeing that. Oh my gosh, this looks so good already. This looks so good already. I'm gonna tear this up. I'm gonna face the Burger King drive-thru. Them lucky, you know. Them lucky if they want to see me. I'm not going to get extra spicy sausage, but I never have them already. I'm gonna cut them from pepper. It's not as spicy. It's really not that spicy. It's really not. Hey guys, so alright, remember saying something I come from a package. So I looked on my watch, I realized I brought it at almost 4 o'clock. I'm here cruising, not remembering that they lock at 4. So now I'm only left with like 6 minutes to reach, and they're good little. But I made it. Literally walked through the door 3:59. Literally. Anyways, I got my package. I got one package. And what eat more forget, but everything else not reach. But them saying at a week, so that's not too bad. Them have my next package I'm forgot pick up, but me not for rush to get them there right now. Me get them there later. But no, me just I go head to by the way, a pair package, so I don't know if I'm really can, you know, do a haul with or anything. But yeah, so oh my gosh, my nails look so bad. I'm happy to make I get them done. Cause honestly, I just this morning I take off the previous set I did have on. Honestly, when you remember that last vlog that our vlog before last, that seems so close to be doing my nails again, right? But I mean, a good time has passed. It's been like 3 weeks now since I did those.
They call me sassy when I'm strolling down the street. They call me classy when I'm serving just the best. I can be deadly when I find somebody lovely. And now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress. Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me. Someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I was somebody else?
So as I said, guys, I was super excited to try her out and just support her. You know, she's really nice. Oh my gosh, customer service was really good. First of all, let me start there. And you know, I just kind of jump straight into it. By the way, yes, I'm doing a voiceover today because I kind of wanted to explain this because it's my first time trying Gelix, like the whole method of applying the nail. It was the first time I was doing this. I've never really done the whole like gel application in terms of putting on the actual nail. It wasn't glue or acrylic. There was none of that involved. You girlies know it. All my Gelix girlies, you know how this goes. So I was super excited to try this. It's good to try out things, see if you like them and stuff. And let me tell you, it seems so much quicker and convenient, you know. I'm still an acrylic girly. Like, I'm still an acrylic lover, but this is definitely more what would you say, like easy on the nails and stuff, and it's really nice. If you're looking for something quicker and convenient, you could try this. And like, I think she's very much a like super experienced, like she knows what she's doing. I was happy to come here and try this from her because even from her page, like, it made me super confident to try this shape, just like what's on her nail. I love that clean look, but because I didn't want for just, you know, I wanted to do something else, and you know, she actually surprised me, and you'll see further down the design that she did. But as you can see, so yeah, this is the whole process. But yeah, it was super like convenient, and I'm happy. It really didn't take a long time to do. So I wanted to go a little longer with the nails, but you know, I say, you know what, let me just altogether just try something new. I've never really done this shape this length. If I do this shape, it's super long. But let's talk about the polishes, right? So she has her own like nail polish line, right? And that's BB Polishes. She have an IG page for it, so you guys can check it out. I put the information on the screen. And I love the names that she gave to these polishes. It's all Jamaican, like it's a cake soap one, man. Like, it's like, what? It's excitement. I love it, and the colors are pretty. Look at that. Look at that. So they're also made in Jamaica, you know. It's like she does all of this on her own, and I really admire that. That's beautiful. The polishes are quick drying, you know, they're quick drying, and they're vegan, so that's a plus, and they're long lasting. So I think you guys could give these a try if you're looking for some really nice polishes. They retail for like 1,000 Jamaican dollars, you know. So go ahead and support, you know, Polishes, Bella's Boutique JA, because she ate this set up. She went ahead and gave me a cartoon set, and this is just so cute. You know, I say cute because the length, it's short, and I know a lot of you girls, you love doing like the more short manageable nails, and I feel like this is so trending right now. Look at this design. It's so flawless. It's cute, and she got the detail right on point. I love this. I was super pleased. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Check out Bella's Boutique JA and get you some BB polishes. Okay, honey? Yeah.
No termination, baby. Now would you love me if I was somebody else?
Guys, watch out. I never actually come back to, no? I actually come back soon, right? Let me show you what time it is. This is the time. Almost 2 a.m. Alright, so we there now, you know. Since night. Yeah, by the way, I tried something new, as you guys know, and I love them. I love them. So shout out to Bella Boutique. Baby polishes. Those polishes are nice. So guys, go ahead and check her out, by the way. Check her out. Real cool, great customer service. She a vibe. She know what she doing. Yeah, it's really cute. But yeah, back to the time of the morning, right? So we there watch Christmas movie because Shami done did tell me from today. Say, oh, you know, I should get the marshmallow swish me Shami over there. So. Still telling you what I do. So I'm forget the marshmallow Swiss miss. I'm gonna go watch Christmas movies later. And we were literally here. We're watching Almost Christmas. Watch it before, but it's like I don't remember it that clear. We're watching it again. You know, always Christmas I want sees away, not showing really too still. Not showing too still. We there watch show TV good boom like gone. What? We can't tell when last like away we'll experience a power outage. But anyways, so remember now what time we got Azan, right? And we buy at that time we were preparing for the hurricane season. We buy this lantern and radio, battery radio. Girl, hurry up and pull them out. No signal. Get your signal in. Probably shorten the antenna, see where I get. Come in. Come at the door. See where I get over the door. Yes, so. Hold it up to the ceiling. Over window signal. Is that's Spanish? That's freaking that's funny. That's Spanish. Why is he speaking?
What are they? I said this for So if Stab did come and be turn on the radio or Spanish channel, listen to me the man.
No, why the pan Spanish? Me not say nothing else than them two button there now. No, but the lady test it the day. She test it the day and it was normal. Shami, what kind of Spanish I play? Change the channel. We're literally there in Mexico right now.
I said more about money.
No, this man speaking Spanish.
I joke, I treat the French channel. No.
So every channel has Spanish? No, but you check the something of the day. And a gospel it a play. But the TV word them in a Spanish. So how a Spanish we are here?
Must be true like gun.
What are that the radio make for? We like that.
You know what? Okay, come sit down. Right now, JPS a piss me and my own girl off.
This is the light.
This on the other hand,
The radio is a fail.
it's giving. You buy. You go down that one and don't know, say, you buy something for cheap and them say, you go down one corner to get it cheaper than cheap. And you
Child.
know what this?
Guys. The light need to go. Usually, if we experience light, like power outage, you don't go away for long. You usually go for like I usually like 10 minutes, if not, like. But yeah, we basically start the Christmas movie watching. Last year, I remember being like, oh my gosh, I'm supposed to watch Christmas movie, and then I was always so busy doing this, doing that, and I love watching my Christmas movies. It just helped me to get even into the mood more. I realized that a lot of people feel in the Christmas spirit more this year than last year or even the year before. It's surprising. I don't know why. Maybe it's because we're officially out of the pandemic. So I don't know if that has something to do with it, but I'm happy that everybody is feeling the spirit. Like, that's good. I love that. So yeah, we'll literally start with this. This is actually our first Christmas movie for the season. And look here. I love this.
Few minutes later.
And just like that, literally like 5 minutes after I lock off the camera, the light is back. That is it. We're gonna resume to our movie. Okay, we were like halfway in it, so yeah. Like the sleep, it's trickling in, but I don't know when near to like, oh no, I can't continue. Like, we've had nights like that, but yeah. Like, I don't know. How long that show you be? Like hour and a half?
1 hour 50.
2 hours. Oh, so like a next hour. Yeah.
Mother always said, the bigger the tree, the bigger the
Guys, well, I'm about to go work out. Alright, so guys, it's band launch this weekend. Okay, Shami and I are walking the show. So your girl is strict with the eating this week, for sure. Every other time in my lifestyle, I eat whatever, but this week is absolutely no rice. This week I'm still having my carbs. It's just that, we modify it a little bit more, have way more veg, and healthy fats, but on a level. So I'm gonna do this for a few days, not every day. What I have in the cup is some black coffee and 2 spoons of black coffee, 2 spoons of lemon juice, and some water, hot water. So I'm gonna drink this though, no sweeteners, absolutely none. So I'm gonna have my tea separate when I'm gonna make, and then I don't have much time to do green juice right now, but I'm going to get my greens in, so I'm gonna do my spirulina mix. We don't skip greens, we don't skip the green fluids, and we eat a lot of greens as well. Okay. So yeah, so we really, because I have a whole costume tomorrow. I don't even know which costume I wear. Usually we'd have a day that we're going to fit, but we're going to see. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't taste good though. You did think it tastes good? No. Oh, what this helps to do is just like, they've been talks over it for a long time that it helps if you have a smaller waistline or a flatter belly, flatter stomach. It not just work like magic like that. Sometimes I feel like these things are said and people just think that, oh my gosh, I'm gonna look down without any form of work and the area is going to be transformed. No, you have to work to make these things, to make them help you out. It's not magic, but it can help. It can help. And I've used it in the past when I've competed, and it helped. It helped for sure. Especially if you're on a strict diet, strict diet, like a strict proper diet. So I'm gonna drink this, then I'm gonna drink my tea, then I'm gonna drink my spirulina. I'm gonna take my pre-amino and my vitamins. And I'm gonna get to working out. I'm gonna do upper body and core today. After that, pretty much I have wig content to get for my sale, so that's what I'm gonna work on for most of the day, if not the entire day. It's a lot of work. Come up, go through the wig one by one, and a lot of them, most of them are now cleansed. So yeah, by the time I see the vlog here, oh yeah, the wig sale is in the upcoming week. I don't understand. I've been saying, I'm telling you guys that the wig sale is November 25th. I don't know how I'm getting so much messages of people, like, you know, I try to link my one away for buy a wig. Like, guys, the sale is happening the 25th. Like, it's confusing to like be selling it one by one. Like, no, it's not the same. If you're asking if it's the same, no. You know, it's like so many people are link my one away. Or I think some people not taking the time up to really hear the details of what I'm saying as well. People was like, I need a, you know, a curly wig for my birthday, or I need a straight wig, or I think some people, some of the questions are like, they think it's like a standard wig business, like, you know, you're getting a brand new wig. Like, remember, my wigs are very much near brand new because I've only modeled some of them. You understand? I'm really giving away some of these wigs because you have to understand. Some of these wigs, you see, I like some of the RPG show them. RPG show is top tier. And when I tell you, I'm selling those for like half price or even less, because when you check the price for one of those wigs, it's like $400 US dollars or $500 or close to $500. That's like, well, that's like 60,000 Jamaican dollars. I'm not sure where the dollar is right now, but I'm sure it's 150 something. So let's check. Let's check like 450. 450 times 151. That's 67,000 Jamaican dollars. Okay. So, and when I sell most of the wigs, I rarely ever pass $29,000 Jamaican. Rarely. Okay. So I'm really giving away a lot of these wigs. Yeah. But yeah, that's my focus for today. It's the wigs, and I'm sticking to my diet. Oh, by the way, I stopped eating by 7. I aim for 7, but I might miss a little and go to 8. After that, it's cut-off time. Absolute cut-off time for eating. No eating after that time. So yeah, on tomorrow I have a wax appointment. Listen, guys, I was so modest with these lashes. They're nice for them, cute or whatever. I mean, I knew why I got them. I wanted to be a little modest. I wanted to be a lot more modest this time because I had some things to do and stuff. So that's the only reason. You know, that was the only reason. But girl, I love my volume. And I can't wait to do a nice volume set. I don't want it like super long. Although I just love when it's fuller, you know. So, but this is like giving my lashes a break too. So I don't mind. You guys know I love to give my lashes a break because you can't just put on full fusion. So that will damage your lashes. So I feel like my day attack to know, and it's something I get cold. I still come back. Alright guys, I'm finished with my workout. Yes, it was a home workout because guess what? The amount of workout I have to do doesn't allow me to go to the gym. Alright, so I'm going to be working out at home for the rest of the week. Okay, so this one over here, she just made herself a sandwich while I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lunch. I got string beans, I got sweet potato, and I'm gonna do tuna on the side. That's gonna be lunch. I'm not gonna do any salt in these. Low sodium. So tuna has sodium in it, so that's all I work with. I really wanted to add this, but it's not ready. I bought 2 of them, but this will be ready soon because mommy told me that, you know, I need to take this out. So I just took it out this morning. If I did remember, I wouldn't take it out from yesterday when we went to the supermarket, because we went grocery shopping yesterday. I just never take it, guys. You know, I'm always taking you grocery shopping anyways, next time. But yeah, so this is not ready, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, so carbs, veg, protein, boom, easy. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this ready, put this on the stove, get this prepared, take a shower, have this, then get to all the work I have to do. And then for dinner now, I'm just gonna have straight veg, no carbs, but we have to have some carbs for the lunch because my energy is gonna be super low. I'm gonna need energy. Oh, I'm also going to make my protein and some collagen right now. So while I do all of this, I'm gonna do that. So this protein I hate. Oh my god. It's oh my god. Oh, butter cake. I hate this. Yo, I should have told you that I don't. Oh my gosh, and this is so full, you know. I mean, I like the protein flavor here.
Well, that one will just dip on top of it.
Oh my
You
god.
can mix them.
Okay, great. Me no like the butter cake. It's the same rule one I was. No, never same rule one. But anyway, this me that drink all along, which is perfectly fine. Regular vanilla. Tastes like ice cream. Just improvise. It really doesn't taste 100% like ice cream, you know, it's protein, but it does taste enough like ice cream for me to drink it and keep consistent. This rule one is good. I always have rule one stuff, but I got butter cake in it. Ugh. I don't like butter cake. Almond breeze for my milk. Just using almond milk, the original one. I don't want the flavored one. Yeah, not using regular milk. Some collagen and the protein. So this is lunch, my veg, carbs, protein. So just have sweet potato, string bean, tuna. Simple. Yeah, so this is simple enough. This is simple enough for me. I'm gonna have this and basically just get started on what I need to get started on. Okay. Yeah. So listen, by the way, me and Shami, we've been watching Christmas movies every single night. Oh yeah, and I remember the previous clip when I was showing you that, yeah, last night we watched Elf. I've never watched Elf because I just never did interested, but it's actually really good. Very, very funny. So watch that last night. It was a good watch. The night before we watch Noel. Yeah, that was good too. Don't mind the mannequin head. But yeah, watch that the night before. I don't know what we're watching it. Shami's the one that researched the movie, so yeah, it's a good way to just unwind at night time. Work during the day, unwind. Anyways, see you guys in the next clip. That might be always from now. So what's later, guys? I'm just think me out and come back and update you on dinner. So yeah, mommy actually made this. There's some chicken chop suey with veg, and I'm tempted. So I'm gonna eat 2 pieces of yam with it because mommy cook it, and I'm tempted. And yeah. And what time is it now, Shami?
2:05.
Is yeah, after 5, so it's good timing. It's a good time then to have these 2 pieces of carbs. So not go too happy myself today. Show me over here some murder dinner. Guys, oh my gosh, me just come back to know. Oh, it's the next day. Actually, you know, me and Shami came out doing a little mini maintenance, and I'm back here to get a wax session for my wax session because of the show. I would have come back this quick, but because we have the show on Saturday, you know, I have to be freshly waxed. So doing my brows, my underarm, full Brazilian, all of that. But I'm not gonna bring it inside since I just showed you guys a session the other day, like what, vlog before last or something. Yeah, Shami's currently doing her nails. She begged me for buy lunch for her, but I'm just a checking with her. I prepared lunch and brought it with me. Cause I'm serious bad. I only bought a Starbucks drink this morning, but it's not that bad. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next clip. I just want to get the day started and kind of update you guys. Maybe checking back, I don't know. Yeah, so I got my brows waxed. Always love getting a fresh wax. Got everywhere waxed. So, and it wasn't so bad. She did a combination of soft and hard wax. Honestly, our wax never so bad because I go back kind of quick, but she didn't have any problems still. So I think that was good enough. But yeah, so I don't feel like I did already have something to drink. Anyway, I'm gonna make a quick run to Azan. Yeah, my wax session went really good, went really quick. I'm so happy. I'm always so happy when I'm done with a wax session, especially the full Brazilian barbecue. Honestly and truly, me can't matter.
Jeans and the shoes, are Gucci and the shirt for groovy. Them boy and you, me, I'm a bit Gucci and my lifestyle movie.
What's up, guys? We're then at the show. Yeah, we're in the Burger King drive-thru. I'm gonna actually show my god.
Hi, good day. Can I have a number 8, no tomato? Yeah, no tomato. Yeah, orange juice for the drink. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, thanks.
I'm going to go to Island Grill because I want a gold light. I had lunch like an hour ago. So I'm just buy these, put it on because I think we're going to end up being on the road for a while. I'm gonna go to my shipping company to check with them on my packages. And last time I never get to come to you guys yesterday. I never get to come to you guys yesterday. We did actually go to do our fitting for the costumes. I'm not mad with the costumes that we're modeling. We're modeling the same section. So far, the piece that we're trying, it fits. Everything looks good. We never get the wings. Obviously, you don't need to fit wings because I mean it's wings and like the leg pieces, and so we never try that or whatever. So yeah. I'm just checking with you. So tonight we'll have rehearsals. It's Friday, and then tomorrow is the band launch. So rehearsals start at 7, and yeah, that's that. So I'll just keep on checking in with you guys and stuff. That's the vibe. Alright guys, so in Fontana, we pick up some stuff that I actually need. Then still not have something more because I really needed a hairspray. But I think why are they zooming? Oh, I've never zoomed it like that. But yeah, so Shami's in the line there. I already cashed some stuff. So yeah, like guys, I'm literally tempted to go buy one Starbucks drink because my sugar is all I have, like with a little sugar is Crown water. Come on, you know, so Crown water have sugar in it. It's not real water, but so I actually have my food for me. I buy the Island Grill whole life. I had a salad for lunch, you know, I do all of my vitamins, all of them, so for breakfast, tea, smoothie, the whole works. And then I was supposed to bring my cashews for snacking, but I forgot. But yeah, so I am set. I'm not going to buy nothing in Starbucks.
What are you talking about?
I tell them someone wants something from Starbucks, but I'm not gonna get it.
So you're not going there, but now stop it from the bell.
Guys, my costume is like a slingshot.
Oh, yeah, the pandemic. So we're
As if you don't know. I don't know you're going so far. Like, why you acting like that? Which part? You can't see your shami. You nearly dropped one time left. But you see, you know, your relationship with the girl too strong. Yeah, your nerves are make you move fast. What? Oh my god, that's really nice. Probably like 10,000 for one. We don't need no more decoration. Oh, sorry. Thanks. We definitely don't need no more.
See, come on, want to see them?
No, that look like a sponge. And a sponge that I peep through. A sponge. Guys, this wig is so ready to come off of my head, but I love how it's not super scandalous with it. Like, you know, right? Like, it's not super scandalous.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know if you guys get what I mean. Like, the lace not super, like, semi and me come off.
525.
Alright, friends. Alright, so. I'm gonna show the thing. Guys, alright. So, I'm not gonna lie. I'm me lazy. I'm me being a old but you ever make nice with some plastic?
It's the way, cuz. Ready.
Guys, so alright. This little Blistex thingy. It's a pot one. I've been wanting to get a pot one because the other day I'm going there, I'm gonna buy some stick one, and honestly I really don't like them lip balm. There is not giving what I'm looking for it to give. The best lip balm slash mask I ever have is the MAKIAGE lip mask. It leaves your lips feeling like butter. It's so nice. So this is a Blistex DCT daily conditioning treatment. It have cocoa butter and vitamin E to maintain healthy moist lips. And you guys know I know I love wear lip gloss, but I take it way lip gloss I take it way more serious than just lip gloss. You know, I want my lips to naturally be smooth and soft, because who likes choppy lip? Who likes that? Alright, so when I get a good view, let me give you guys a good view. Why isn't it focusing? Guys, it now focus. God. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. I like it. Smell like, you know, classic. Like medicated something. Okay, let's try it. Okay. It's pretty thick.
Stop going like you never want for change.
I mean, you one.
After, now me cash it for you. Where?
As if I pay a feed for me.
It don't matter.
I'm not giving a change. I said 50 for some guys and she get $1,000. I'm gonna get back no change.
What day I said I got $2,000, I'm gonna get no change. She lucky.
Are they $2,000 for the food?
I like you tell.
Okay, this number, it's not as much. You ever take out none of the MAKIAGE? Me know you take out.
So I'm doing it with this, you're.
It have a nice minty thing to it. I just don't love the scent.
It's nice, it's good.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm tell you, say,
I love this.
I did have one from Vaseline one time. And I go up a tax office and my foot back dry.
One of them, yeah?
I stick it out of my bag and I zig it out and I rub down foot back. Girl can't go rub that foot back dry, sir.
You take your lip mask and rub on your heel back?
I never have a choice.
Wear lotion the way the
Me never walk, me don't walk with lotion.
One little travel size?
Me don't have lotion or travel size. You have lotion or travel size? You don't have lotion.
No.
You have lotion in the car. I use my BMW, okay? I use my BMW.
What?
Better me walk. So like,
What series?
I'm not gonna tell a lie. My one them about one series 3 because them give me whole heap of problem. Whole heap of problem. Everybody who know my foot then can tell you, so they give whole heap of problem. I don't know.
This is minty and nice. It make you feel
I did have was my little bag.
Oh my god.
I did have was my little bag, and the bag then never could have hold one lotion. So I'm lip mask. I'm
I know them vibes.
Take
I
it
know
out
them
and
vibes,
rub down. When you done rub my phone, nobody could tell me the lotion and me left my hand.
Guys, it's not as high end, like you can feel it in the formula, but it's good. You know, for like a drugstore. Guys, car haul. So alright, I don't much. Mini haul. So these are the other stuff that I got in here. I never get my hairspray when I want. I got this for the lace. Usually hair companies will send me I usually get tinted like tinted sticks for me can use for my wig and so, but like I do you're so annoying. You're not gonna stop. I usually get one spray one. You know, sometimes you get some lace and them not tinted nor no, and you want a little quick fix and have time for bleach it or whatever. So I got this. I prefer to use a spray because then than the stick version. Sometimes I don't like all that residue. At least I can spray this on and it dry down and stuff. So I got that, and then I've been wanting one of these, because you see when you want to get that sharp bust down middle part there. You know, like sometimes if you over bleach your lace or over tint it, or if the parting just look way too wide, you can literally use this and make things look like not like the lace will look as sparse then with the hair. You get what I mean? So I got a black one. I feel like the black one them sell out fast all the time, and it's only the brown one them ever left. So I got this. I'm so happy to get this. So my wigs be super snatched now. Super snatched. Yeah. Temporary color for gray roots. See, so women, like mature women that is like experiencing gray hairs and stuff, can also use this. But I got it specifically for my wigs. So that's what I got. Can't wait to use those. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna change my hair. Like maybe in the day. No, I don't know. Maybe tonight. I don't know. Maybe tonight I'll change my hair. I'm gonna put on another curly, like more like a looser. It's like a loose curl vibe or loose wave vibe or deep wave vibe. It's more of a deep wave vibe. Yeah, deep wave. It's more of a deep wave vibe. It's jet black. I love a good jet black hair. I love a good jet black hair. So yeah. Put this in the bag. We're pretty much, our next stop is literally just rehearsal, so we'll catch you when it's that we're there and stuff. Okay guys, so we just pull up, and we're kind of early still. I just never want to like be late.
Traffic,
or
we dep on the road too long for it be late, and traffic can dep on the road. So
yeah,
yeah,
that me that's yeah. So yeah, so I'm basically parked up. I'm gonna eat my food that I have a go light. Pretty much everything else what we need to do on the road, and we just here chilling. Battery one change. All right, we're walking in now, guys. Walking in. Camera,
which is
so we're about to walk the stage, guys, just to practice. I have on my heels, and we about to do this. Just so yeah, come on.
Waiting for the time to pass you by. Hope the winds of change will change your mind. I could give 1,000 reasons why, and I know you, and you got to.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Zay Hill, Mr. Juju on the beat, rocking with your man DJ Taj. Let's get it.
I could give 1,000 reasons why, but you're coming, and you know that. Steady, just steady, just steady. It's time, the clock is ticking, clock is ticking. All you have to do is steady. Hands on my, all you have to do is steady. Hands on my. Just get on your own bub. You don't have to go up. Get on your own bub. You don't have to go up. Get on your own bub. You don't have to go up. Get on your own bub. Just
Whenever I even get time for strap up the heels good. The nerves are fully gone from the girl. Fully. Yeah, until tomorrow. You'll be fine. Alright guys, so it's safe to say, you can't say me and Shami and I we do a collab vlog thing today because she drop a vlog today. What time you gonna drop your vlog?
What time you drop yours?
We usually go for like 1. Well, the thing is, our vlogs are like from 2 different perspectives. So even though it's the same, like we're going to the same event or the both of us going to model, you know, it's like it's never the same thing in the 2 vlogs, and that's a big thing for me. So yeah, go check out for your vlog, you know, check it out. But just finish do for your makeup, okay, and make sure you subscribe to her too, okay? Don't just watch, subscribe. I know I said the other day, and a few people is like, why so come like you talk to me? Because when you listen, the reason why I do the fun so I never charge it, okay? So I'm using the last of the battery. I'm lazy for plug it in, so go plug it in so stay. But when I finish, so obviously I just start with my makeup, and yes, it's the next day jump. But last night I finished the rehearsal super late, like super late. I'm gonna tell you this like after 12. Okay, so but the greatest thing is that we got the steps down and everything. So a little bit of nerves, but you know, I feel good. We feel good about it so far. So it's just a going now and meet the call time and stuff. Shami's gonna get her hair done there. Stuff. I installed a different wig this morning, a jet black. Well, me customize it to jet black. Just dry down my primer if I don't wonder what the hell I'm doing. Yeah, I love to make sure the primer seep down in my skin good and stuff before I add even the foundation to it, because it's like I realize if you don't make that happen, like it don't sit at its best. But yeah, so I'm just keeping you guys up to date with everything. Yeah, so far so good. Guys, I love this wig. Like, I'm gonna tell you, say the meltdown, it's a Swiss lace. It's a bomb Swiss lace. Listen, in the previous clip I showed you guys that lace tint spray that I bought. Oh, listen, I didn't need to go over some area where it never fully dried down, like was coming out a little too white. But just spray over it and it looked like scalp. I bought a perfect shade, the medium brown. Perfect. Like, honestly, if you install wigs a lot or whatever, that lace spray is really good. So yeah, so I'm just gonna run through the makeup right now. I kind of went back to using a brush, because I don't know why I even stopped using a brush when a brush is so much better than the sponge, in my opinion. Even when I was freelancing a lot, that's what I would use on my clients, a brush. over a sponge. It just moves faster. It not soak up as much product. You know, a little product goes a longer way. And when you use the sponge, it kind of take away some of that product there. And you have to keep on and reapply. But like it's so much easier, so much quicker. Yeah. So I just take my little time and you know, I move to. This is just my normal pace. Like I can't help it. When I say I take my time, this is actually me taking my time. Alright guys, so I never get to come back like right after I was done with my makeup to show you guys. But I know say like after I put on the costume and everything, like how will look and all of that. So just keep on watching.
This reminds me of the last time.
Oh yeah, the last time when this happened, my vlog already mashed up a bit after I used my phone. Yeah. But yeah, and it was much later. And it wasn't reach like
late.
after 9.
We were late last time. We're up on good time. We passed with slot, granted, but we're still on good time.
Yeah, we only needed to go in that early if we were going to do like
Our
makeup. Shami alone I go do our hair. My hair is already done. I'm doing the wet look. So yeah, and we're both rocking the same makeup.
I don't think we should have no hassle with the hair because a lot of the girls have been extension. So
Oh yeah, them can just style it your way.
they look good.
I think they might give you a nice half up half though. I don't know.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, very cool too.
Yeah. It's just that they met way them tell for reach from so early, but we know the show time is not going to be anywhere near now.
It ends at 2 a.m.
Yeah.
So it's almost like half a day. You want to sleep?
Yeah, for real. So I'm make sure I bring my makeup kit.
I bring 2 little snacks.
You bring snacks?
Fun. I bring liquor. Bring one lip or something.
I really wanted to get red wine, but man, I never even bring my cup. Oh, you have cups still? Yeah, you know, because you guys know I've been doing my coffee and the lemon thing, and I followed through. I had soup for dinner though, which it's not bad. Like, it was amazing, and I had
That
salad.
soup was busting.
So good. So yeah, I'm just happy that we ate and everything is good. We're feeling good. We just need to take like 2 shots before we go up on the stage. That's if I get my wine, because if I get my wine, then I can't like.
Where I get wine now? You not get no wine. No wine you not get. Unless them have wine there. Come man, drive.
Shut up. All I have is soda and hard
And
liquor.
rum.
Me not drink soda. No more.
I cannot drink soda.
No, if she drinks soda, she will throw up like continuously. It's really bad for her system.
I will throw up until I feel like my stomach will go come through my mouth.
Yeah, so that's a whole like situation there, and it just us being like, so I mean the same thing don't happen to me, but
Should
like
eat.
yeah, honestly and truly, because soda
And
not good for you.
I wasn't an avid soda drinker before.
Yeah,
I used to drink mostly water, but my system just doesn't allow for me to drink soda.
Yeah, the soda rough. Soda rough, man. It's not good. But yeah, so when we reach, we'll come back. Alright guys, we reach. Anyways, wanna take a shot now.
Cheers.
Cheers! One big shot dude. This is more than a shot. This is a big shot. Oh my god.
All of the misery can't go on out.
Oh yeah, by the way guys, this is her makeup turn on. Shami got her
shoes. Oh, come friend.
Shami got her hair done. Oh my gosh, she looks so good.
I feel like in my belly button.
I love it. Guys, I did a wet down, slip down look. I love it. So we're gonna touch up with makeup closer to show time. But yeah, this is us. This is giving us. She feel herself.
I never expect big hairstyle. I'm not telling a lie.
I know.
Last time
I did like it last time.
Last time I get one pull out same night hairstyle. This is for the week hairstyle.
It's giving Beyonce with one of them bad dancing video there.
That's why I'm gonna try to do the flip, but it never flip.
Yeah, so
Oh, it hurts for my
we just sit up. Yeah, it rests on my chest. It's true. Keep the cup. Keep the cup. Yeah, so we just are going to chill out. I'm not going to touch up my face yet, but we just are fix up. Guys, mommy reach and she over here taking her pics. Watcha, watcha. She feel it. Oh.
We need to go rehearse so that you know
Yeah.
before people
Alright, mommy,
start
the right
coming.
so tell them I mommy. So
We introduce you to our first section for tonight. This one is called the Sweet Talks. So that was Sweet Talks. But right now we welcome Icebreaker. Section number 2, Icebreaker.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bound for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I'm taking you by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy I don't, and go feed the girl, I never feed the girl insult. I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that get both, like the Baba Frado, my ayo, don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow. I did put a cut on then kill Sovoma. I did try to ban Moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leg Ibona. Now some more till we make it have been all over. My feelings still they swing like Django Lover. Feelings still they swing like Timbani got you, at you. I'm a white dog in Petite-Sue. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, Timbani got you, at you. I'm a white dog in Petite-Sue.
alright guys, so back home and stuff. Listen, you want to see what time it is? Oh, by the way, if you see anything on my face, I literally not too long ago toned. Look at the time. That's AM. Okay, I want to sleep so bad. It ended at 2. We got in like after 2 going to 3, like yeah, to 3. Tired, I'm beat. And literally I'm up this late because I'm finishing up the vlog. And I realized that when I closed out the clip earlier on, it was in slow-mo still. So I came back to, redo it and just close out the vlog, especially because this is the last vlog before Vlogmas, as I told you guys. So please note that. So yes, Vlogmas begins the 1st of December. We're up and we're live and we're festive. So I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Turn your post notifications on because it's about to be a movie, okay? Yeah, we're gonna be very lit for the month of December. So stay tuned. Tonight went well. There were some hiccups, to be honest. As you saw, not everybody had their backpacks, including me and Shami, our section. They had some little, hiccups, as I said. So, I mean, the site has all the completed costumes on. I know it's kind of a bummer because, you come to the band lounge, you want to see the wings in the show, the backpacks, it kind of gives you the full vision of what to look forward to purchase, you know, and stuff. But I must say the costumes were absolutely beautiful, the models were beautiful, and I'm happy it's still, the show went on, and Shami and I walked, and that was just a beautiful thing. And yeah, the diet workouts, yeah, the diet workouts, I'm pleased with that. Yeah, so I just do those little, like, you know, kind of tweaks in what I eat whenever I have something coming up like this, or if I have a shoot coming up, something, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I hope you found it entertaining. Yeah, oh, I wish I had gotten like a more stabilized footage of when we were on the stage, but mommy did her best. But there was a lot of people in front of her. When she just came, it was super empty in that area, but it got so packed. So yeah, I know it, you know, she don't usually vlog, so it was kind of, you know, it was going in and out of focus a lot, but I did what I could, and you know, I hope you guys can appreciate that. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Catch you guys in vlogmas. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's that time of the year again. But yeah, catch you guys in vlogmas. Shout out to everybody that was at the band launch and you guys were there and just, you know, cheering us on. Shout out to you. But yeah, so that's it. Big up to Bacchanal. Yo, I loved their costume. Big up to Bacchanal. Like, I feel like they just keep on bringing it with their designs and stuff. I really loved her costume a lot. Yeah, I just wishing I could have seen it with the backpack, but check out the website. And yeah, that's it for today's vlog though. I'm done with my rambling, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.